Hi guys, continuing from the last video. In this video I will take it forward and you will see something related to displaying the data. Here we have loaded the data into the data frame and now we want to display the data. Okay. uh, and I'll just write displaying data, display the data as it is. There is one more display, that is graphical form of display, but in this right now I'm displaying it as it is. The second step will be to do some graphical analyzation, right? Displaying the data as it is. So if you want to uh, give such heading, just press escape plus M, and by putting hash as the first thing you can write what you want to write. So I wrote display the data as it is. Okay. So we last time we put our data in nb underscore df or nb underscore data frame, right? That only we'll use to display the data. The first command I am writing is nba underscore data frame uh, dot head 5. So what it will do, it will give us the first 5 rows. It will display the first 5 rows and each and every column in that row. You see, first 5 rows, this 0 1 2 3 4 is given by itself. The pandas gives it, and there all the columns have been displayed, like name, team, number, position. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 column have been displayed, and these are the first 5 columns. You can see in that also, in the data also. I will show you Avery, Bradley, Jake, Crowler, John, Holland, etc. You see the same 5 columns up to Jonas Jerebico. You can see, right? Okay, this is the first one to display the data. We can also display it. We can also display it in transposed form. So these are some basic commands that we should be aware of, like head 5, transpose, etc. Okay, and this nb underscore data frame actually also okay, let me first show you the transpose command, right? nba underscore df dot head 5, first 5 rows dot transpose, and we are transposing it, right? Okay, what is the error here? nb is not defined. We have not given underscore here, and you see that it now comes in transposed form. The transpose of this table, it now comes in transposed form, right? Okay. Okay, this was the second command. Now the third command. We if let's say you want some information on this data, nba underscore df dot info. So it gives each and every info about this data frame. There are 458 entries from 0 to 457. As you can see, why 458 entries? You see, there are 458 entries. Uh, Name, there are 457 known null. Okay, you can see 457 known non null. Okay, team 457 non null. College, there are 373 373 non-null. So there are many nulls in college, as you can see in the data. There are some nulls you can see, right? Memory usage, etc., etc., etc. These are column details. So this is the type object float 64, object float 64, object float 64. Okay, right? So number it is storing in float 64. Number it is storing in float 64. So number is being stored in float 64. Right. And this data frame also has a shape. Data frame also has a shape. Data frame also has a shape. Oh, again we did the same. NV underscore data frame. NV underscore DF. Then only. Okay. Shape. Oh. Just write NVA dot shape. NV underscore data frame dot shape. Shape it gives rows into columns. So there are 458 rows and 9 columns. So it is a matrix with 458 rows and 9 columns. Absolutely, some rows can be non-null and some can also be null. Right? 458 rows, 9 columns. Right. Okay. We actually used a command head 5 to display the first 5 rows. But you know what? We don't need that actually. We can just put nv underscore data frame and just put 0 to 5. If somebody is not aware with Python is a very simple language, but some things you need to know. Like this 0 to 5 will only work from 0 to 4. If it is n, like say this, it will only work from 0 to 5 minus 1, that is 0 to 4. If it is n, then it will work from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so it will display the first 5 columns. You see the same result. So I will not remember the head command now, because I have got an even simpler command. Just write the data name, uh, data frame name, and just give 0 to 5, the range you want to publish. You know what? You know what? There is even good deal that you can do with this data. Like say if I want to publish only 2 columns in this, I want to publish name in this. The second thing I want to publish is okay. So second thing I want to publish is country. Let's say okay, or maybe team. Let's say team. Okay, I will close this and just use 0 to 5 rows. First 5 rows. So this is the command for first 5 rows. And you see, name and team for first 5 rows are there on the screen. Name and team for first 5 rows are there in the screen. So these are very pretty simple commands. There's one more method actually that I would like to take, and it is called as the iloc method. The iloc method. The iloc method. Okay. So you see, initially when we defined this nv underscore data frame, we did many operations after that. We read the CSV file and we just gave the pass inside this command read underscore CSV. But we can actually give many things inside this read underscore CSV. We can actually give things like index column, right? You can actually give things like index column, etc. Okay, so that will do, we will actually come into after some time. After some time, we'll come to that also, right? But first, we are looking at some basic commands just by putting the address of the CSV file. Okay, there is a ilog method. Ilog method. I will just write the name of the data frame nb underscore df, and I will give a method name to this dot ilog. And what I can do via this, I want to publish rows number 4 to 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the 5 rows starting from 4, and I want to publish first 4 columns. First first 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, and you see what has come. 1, 2, 3. The name didn't come, right? The name didn't come. The name didn't come, right? If I would have written 0, name also comes. So 4 to 8 rows, and 0 to 3 columns I'm publishing via this. Okay, 0 to 3 columns I'm publishing via this. Okay, now next. Okay, so this was some of the basic commands that were used to display the data. In the next video, I will actually deal with some of the commands that relate to value counts and cross tabulations. Value counts and cross tabulations. So this video was basic commands for displaying the data. Basic commands for displaying the data. We also learned something about this range, right? And I hope you got what I taught. Thank you very much for watching the video.